Slide 111111. Mastering adjectives in English grammar. Let's begin with mastering adjectives in English grammar. In this session, we'll explore types of adjectives, their correct usage, and common errors. Adjectives help us bring precision and color to language. They're essential for expressing qualities, quantities, and emotions. Let's understand how they shape our sentences. What are adjectives? Let's understand what adjectives really are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. They add details like size, shape, color, quantity, and more. For example, she wore a beautiful dress. They make our speech and writing more vivid and descriptive. Adjectives of quality. Let's explore adjectives of quality. These describe the characteristics or nature of a noun. They're also called descriptive adjectives, like tall, intelligent, soft. Example, she is an intelligent girl. They help us define what kind of person or thing we're talking about. Adjectives of number. Let's move to adjectives of number. These tell us how many, or in what order. Definite numbers include 1, 2, first, second. Indefinite ones are many, few, several, some. For example, he has 2 cars. Or several students left. Demonstrative adjectives. Let's look at demonstrative adjectives. These point to specific nouns and include this, that, these, and those. They always come before a noun, like this book, those shoes. For example, I like this book. They help specify exactly what we're referring to. Distributive adjectives. Let's explore distributive adjectives. These refer to individual items in a group, like each, every, either, neither. They focus attention on one item at a time. For instance, each student received a prize. They're often used in instructions or conditions. Interrogative adjectives. Let's understand interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions and must be followed by a noun. Common ones are which, what, and whose. Example, which color do you prefer? They make our questions more specific and focused. Possessive adjectives. Let's now discuss possessive adjectives. These show ownership or possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Example, that is my book. They differ from possessive pronouns like mine. They're always followed by a noun. Emphasizing and exclamatory adjectives. Let's explore emphasizing and exclamatory adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives include own and very, as in my own house. Exclamatory ones like what and such express strong emotions. Example, what a beautiful day. These forms add emphasis or feeling to a sentence. Position of adjectives. Let's understand where adjectives appear in a sentence. Most often, they come before the noun, a beautiful painting. But some follow verbs like look, feel, or seem. Example, the sky looks blue. The position can slightly shift the focus in the sentence. Comparison of adjectives. Let's talk about comparison of adjectives. There are 3 forms: positive, tall, comparative, taller, and superlative, tallest. Comparatives compare 2 things, superlatives compare 3 or more. Example, she is taller than her brother. These forms help express degrees of difference. Rules for forming comparatives and superlatives. Let's look at how to form comparatives and superlatives. Short adjectives usually add or guessed, tall, taller, tallest. Longer adjectives use more and most, more beautiful, most beautiful. Some adjectives are irregular, good, better, best. Knowing these rules helps form correct comparisons. Articles versus adjectives. Let's clarify the link between articles and adjectives. Articles, a, an, the, are actually limiting adjectives. They help define whether a noun is specific or general. Example, a car, an apple, the sun. Understanding this strengthens sentence structure. Thank you. Let's wrap up this session with a quick recap. We've explored adjective types, usage, and how to avoid common errors. Adjectives bring life and clarity to your language. Keep practicing to sharpen your descriptive skills. Thank you for learning with us.